Hey everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I really exciting to unbox and that is the Atomic Heart. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any of my unboxing, tech reviews, and more. Alright, let's dive in and see what we have here. So here it is, the Atomic Heart. Now, you might be wondering what really Atomic Card is. Now, let me break it down for you. The Atomic Card is a digital first credit card which allows you to shop online or in store with a simple, very flexible payment plan. It is actually a part of Atomi's Buy Now, Pay Later service, which means you can split your payments into three interest-free installments. So if you're someone who likes to shop and pay later without extra fees, this card is definitely worth looking into. Plus, Atomi doesn't just stop there. They have made it super easy to increase your credit limit, and today I'm going to tell you exactly how you can do that. First, you can increase your credit limit simply by referring your friends and family to join Atomi. And every time someone you refer uses the Atomi card, you can unlock a higher credit limit for yourself. It's a great way to not only help your loved ones manage their purchases but also boost your own spending limit. Now, let's talk about spin and win feature on the Atomi app. This is super fun and rewarding. After signing up, you'll get a chance to spin the wheel and win prizes. And yes, we're talking real prizes like gift cards, discounts, and more. And here's the kicker. You can actually earn Atomi points by referring your friends and family to join the platform. Earning points is easy. Every successful referral can give you Atomi points, which you can then use to spin the wheel. And here's how the spin and win feature works. You can increase your spending limit by just 10 pesos when you spin. That's right. Just by playing, you can get extra funds to shop. And when you spin, you can win some awesome prizes like 100 pesos load, 1 Atomic point, 3 Atomic point, 5 Atomic points, or even 15 Atomic points. So not only are you increasing your spending limit and having fun spinning the wheel, but you could also score some extra points for future spin or rewards. Alright, now we've talked about all the awesome features. It's time to activate my Atomic card. Let's go ahead and get this activated. So first, you'll need to open the Atomi app and log into your account. After that, head to the card section and follow the easy steps to activate your Atomi card. You'll be prompted to enter some details, and once you've done, your card will be good to go. So let us click Activate Card. Let us enter the last four digits of our card, which can be found at the back of your Atomi card. We're going to set our pin here. Boom! That's it. The card is now activated and ready to use, as simple as that. But that's not all. Here's when it goes even better. Do you know that if you refer 40 friends or more to Atomy, you'll have a chance to win an iPhone 14? Yes, you heard that right. 40 referrals and you're in the running for a brand new iPhone 14. Imagine getting an amazing device by helping your friends and family out with their shopping needs. That is pretty cool, right? So how we can get our referral code? So let's close this one. Let's press the back button on that Me profile. We can see here refer Atomy card. And in this section, you can find the Share Now button and you can copy that link and send it to your family and friends. So what are you waiting for? Get started with Atomy card today. Refer your friends and family and enjoy the benefits of the spin and win feature. And who knows? You might be the lucky one to win an iPhone 14. Once again, this is the Atomy card, your gateway to smarter shopping and bigger rewards. If you want to sign up or learn more, I've got a link in the description below to get you started. Don't forget to hit the like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more awesome content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.